Hello, I'm Bill Schreiber, President of Nano Stencil, makers of Nano Stencil Clean, the first true water-based cleaner designed specifically to safely clean all types of solder paste from nano-coated stencils. As you may have discovered, some nano coatings are sensitive to cleaners with an elevated pH. Until the introduction of Nano Stencil Clean, chemical manufacturers would just recommend a common pH-neutral cleaner. These cleaners would have less ill effects on the nano coating, but were not specifically formulated to clean solder paste and often perform poorly. Nano Stencil Clean is environmentally safe, user safe, and is a true water-based formulation. I say true water-based because many other cleaners just add a little water to some solvents to give the impression of a water-based cleaner. You can often tell these cleaners when the instructions for use state to mix before use, because the solvents in the water will separate over a short time. Solvents are used because they have a neutral pH, but solvents also carry with them potential health hazards, strong solvent odors, and contain high levels of VOCs that are environmentally problematic. For our demonstration, we'll be cleaning a water washable and a no-clean lead-free solder paste from FCT. Using a 10% solution of our Nano Stencil Clean in a standard ultrasonic cleaner and ambient temperature water. Additional heat is not necessary. Nano Stencil Clean may also be used in a spray machine or as a manual wipe. This nano-coated stencil is ultra-fine pitch with some step-down areas. The paste has been on the stencil for approximately 2 hours. As you can see, the solder paste simply slides off of the stencil and is separated to the bottom of the tank. We can clean any type of solder paste in less than 1 minute. This looks like it's cleaned already. Just rinse with some plain water. And if you look at this under magnification, you'll see some water in those apertures, but you'll see no solder paste. This process cleans faster and more effectively than any kind of solvent, yet it's completely environmentally safe. Here's the stencil again after it's been dried. Thank you for your time, and for additional information, go to nanostencil.com, or for a free sample, contact me, Bill, at nanostencil.com. Thank you.